Hello everyone, this is Sri. I'd like to give a demo on document generator utility. So let us discuss what it does. It will convert an ODI interface into an XLS mapping. It means like interface will be totally converted into an Excel sheet mapping document. This is a reverse of the ODI interface generation utility which I have discussed earlier. Uses of this utility is a business user can interpret an ODI mapping without knowing what an ODI interface contains. Like in an Excel sheet, you can open and see what column is mapping to what column and what are the transformation rules applied, what are the business rules applied. It is easy to use for a person who doesn't know ODI and can keep a latest version of the mapping in a repository. For example, a lot of requirement changes comes and in the 10th version you doesn't know where we are, so it will be helping to keep extract the latest mapping and keep in a repository, and also it is helpful for sharing the mapping with other team. So this is how it works. Like there will be a jar which will be converting an ODI interface into an XLS spreadsheet. Let's see a demo of that. I'll show you two interfaces today. So int first and int second. Let's see a simple mapping and a complex mapping. One with one-to-one mapping and one with the multiple data set and join and filter condition case conditions. Okay. So this is one-to-one. No. Like there are two tables join with a filter and it is populating with the target data store. It is a simple mapping, and we'll take one more interface. This is one data set. It's mapping to a table 3 from table 1 and 2. It is table 1 and 4 mapping to table 3. This is table 1 and 2, 4 and 2 mapping to table 3. That is not table, it is test. So there are three data sets. They are identified by, if you open and see, so first and second data set with the help of union, and second and third with the help of minus. So there are three data sets. I'll go to this is the jar file I have told how to run. I'll change my directory, go to the command prompt, change my directory to the Java directory. If I run this, it should throw an error. Yes, error expecting a format to run. So it is expecting a project, folder and an interface. So a project may contain same interface names multiple time, and a folder may also multiple folder may contain the same interface name. So I made it unique with the help of project, folder and interface. So let's run. So we are going to extract the interface first. Let's see. Copy. So in demo SDK interface first is available. So demo SDK interface first is available. I'm going to extract this. So this is especially for ODI 11G. It varies from version to version. I did it for ODI 11.1.1.7. So in first is generated. Let's generate the second and also see the results. Yes, your mapping file for interface in second is generated. Okay, let's go and have a look at that. So this interface name is a folder and a project as a data set. Source schema, it contains 3 columns. So source schema on table. In this schema, this table contains which this column is mapped to this target schema, table and data store. This is the column mapping. So emp, which contains id, that is emp id, is mapped to stage emp load. Stage emp load is the table schema with table, which is mapped to emp id column. Similarly, this is one mapping. And the data set name, this is default data set. It contains 2 classes, one is filter and one is inner join. So it will show inner, left, right outer. Similarly, it will show this type of joins, and this join is between 2 tables. One is stage m table and stage manager table. Here the filter is between stage and stage m table. So this will give more explanation in the next Excel sheet. Let's go to the next Excel sheet. This is the interface name. Similarly, there are 3 datasets I have told already. One is default dataset, dataset 1 and dataset 2. Each has 2 columns, that is the target. So the mapping follows like this. It has an case condition, NVL. In this you have 3 inner joins, 2 filters. This inner join is from dataset 2, this inner join is from dataset 1, and this is from default, one filter in default dataset. So the respective table filtrations. For filter you will contain only one table, for join you will contain table 1 and table 2. If you go to the operator, it will show like default and default dataset are separated, joined with the help of union, dataset 1 and 2 with the help of minus, and the interface is converted into an Excel sheet. Thank you everybody.